Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 5 essential skills that can help you earn money as a student. These skills are not only valuable for generating income, but also for developing your personal and professional growth. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the first important skill which you can learn and earn is to learn how to make graphic designing. Well, this skill is high in demand as businesses an individual needs visually appealing designs for logos, websites, marketing materials, and social media. By learning graphic design softwares like Apple Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva, you can create stunning visuals and make money as a freelancer. There are many online resources available to learn graphic designing, including YouTube tutorial blogs, paid courses. So start exploring your creativity and build a portfolio to showcase your work. Now, this skill will not only help you to earn money while you do assignments for others, but also if you want to open and have your own business, graphic designing will help you do that. If you want to make a YouTube video, you can create visually appealing YouTube thumbnails. You can design your entire YouTube video by putting in beautiful graphics. You can post beautiful pictures by doing editing through graphic designing on Instagram. So this skill is something which will not only be beneficial for you in the long term, but also anything which you want to do in life, this skill will help you. Graphic designing is the most important, essential and basic skill which every youngster should be aware of. And there is nothing better than to learn graphic designing in the most simplest of the form through Canva. You can start your journey of learning how to do graphic designing through Canva, and over a period of time you will realize that how beautifully you have improved your skill just by working on designs, right? So it's a great skill which I would want you to learn definitely. Now the second part is content writing. Now business and organizations need well-written content for their website, blogs, and social media platform. If you have knack of writing and can adapt to different writing styles, content writing can be a great way to earn money as a student. There are numerous freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, where you can find content writing assignments. Plus, you can also reach out to local businesses or school newspapers to find writing opportunities. Again, as I said, writing is a very essential and a basic skill which every individual should have. So learning graphic designing and learning how to write content, because both will be part of each other. You cannot make a graphic without written content. You have to do writing in some way or the other. So why not to learn this skill? Why not to improve your writing skills? This will be a lifelong skill and it will be a great lifesaver, not only for you as an opportunity to earn money, but if you want to open your own business, if you want to open your own online marketing platform, you need to be good in content writing. So graphic designing and content writing are the most essential and basic management skills which you need to learn, right? So make sure that you invest your time each and every day, starting from today itself, in these two skills. Now the third is social media management. Now this is something which we all do. We all have accounts on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, but we don't know how to manage it from the perspective of an influencer, from the perspective of a business owner. Now, this is what you need to learn. Social media is a medium which requires to be used in a very effective manner. It's a double-edged sword. You can use it in a better manner, or you can simply waste your time using social media. So social media management is another in-demand skill. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs need help to manage their social media accounts, create content, engage with their audience. So by mastering different social media platforms and understanding their algorithm, you can help businesses grow their online presence. There are plenty of resources online to learn social media management, which includes paid and free courses. So go and learn how to manage social media. The fourth important aspect is teaching. That is tutoring people. Now, I don't think there is any person who would not be good at something. Every person has a skill. Every person has a subject which is of interest to that person, and the person has a good command over it. Why don't you find one subject which you can teach others? This can help you make money all for your life. So if you excel in a particular subject, tutoring can be an excellent way to earn money. There are so many websites, Skillshare, Udemy, where you can put your online courses absolutely free of cost. And once the students enroll and watch your videos on these platforms, you get paid in dollars. So it's a good amount and a way to earn money. You can offer tutoring services to classmates, to younger students, even adults who want to learn new skill or a subject. You can provide that online. You can reach out to millions of students all over the world. So this is the fourth skill. So we have talked about four skill. The first one was graphic designing, second content writing, third social media management, fourth is tutoring or teaching, and the fifth is making your own website in terms of developing a blog or writing article each day on a particular website. So this is a very essential, important, and a long sustainable way to earn money. As I've already told you, you have to learn graphic designing and content writing. Now if you learn these two aspects, you will be easily accommodative in the fifth skill, which is web development or writing a blog. Blog writing would involve content writing, and also blog will also involve designing. So both you have already learned. So this is going to be very helpful. With the help of content writing and graphic designing, you can write blogs, you can design blogs, you can create new websites, and these 5 skills are going to pay you money every month all your life, both active and passive. So if you want to earn every month by doing a job or an assignment, you can do that. You can create your own business online, put courses online, and you can get passive money every month all your life. So how good is that? Just think about all these 5 skills and how easy it is for you to learn these 5 skills. And once you master all 5 of them, you won't even realize the amount of potential it has for you to grow in your life. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.